right now. Let's crack into this baby.
Hi, I'm John.
And I'm Jenny.
We're so glad you buzzed by our channel. Follow along as we learn, grow, and share our beekeeping journey, one hive at a time.
Come in here, get the smoker going. There. Get them to go down. That back in there. Alright, grab this hive tool. Alright, we're gonna take this. I'm gonna come in here. Oh yeah, they've already started.
Oh, they have?
Yeah.
Yay, I'm so excited.
Like it's on there. For what it is, for only being a week. Yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna get this. I'm gonna get these.
Do you need my help?
I'm gonna open this up a little bit. And smoke them. Alright. Okay, so now this next frame is
One of our
all, it was an
Since
empty frame. Since they did nothing, that was all empty.
Oh, look at the little bee chain you're breaking open.
Okay. All right, we're gonna squeeze these over just like that, and then we're gonna pull it straight up because we don't want any of the honeycomb to fall. And look at what they have done,
Look what they've done since
in a
they've been
week.
here.
This is all fresh honeycomb.
Good job.
Oh, that was so on my toe.
Did it sting you?
No,
Okay.
we're doing all right. I don't see anything out of the ordinary. This is just comb.
Is that the one that are clean?
No, this.
The other. I guess she'll be there.
Okay, so they do this. How do they do this? They rotate up, and turn. Hey, look at that. And now I can see the other side without knocking them off. Okay, so this honeycomb is really, really soft.
Yeah.
So if you can only hold it vertically. If you do it horizontally, the comb will fall out.
Oh, okay.
And all their hard work. Can you guys see that from over there? Like, that's all them from this week. This was an empty frame.
1 week.
1 week. So then we just rotate like that, back down. And now it goes right back in
How?
the exact same way that it came out.
I should have pedaled.
All right, here we go for their
This
frame.
is the frame last time we were in here that the queen was. Oh, it's capped on the other side.
All right. Oh yeah, look at all that brood. Okay, that was just a comb. I was just making sure that wasn't a queen cell. That's just where they started attaching
Comb together.
Okay, so this is the brood. This is the baby bees. This is what they're hatching. Let me turn this over and around like that. Do you see that brown circle?
Yeah.
That's all the baby bees.
It is honeycomb, but it's not got honey in it.
Yeah. Oh, awesome. Okay, I see larvae. Alright, so I'm gonna pick you up right here. Alright. See, here's where all of our bees came from. See that? Did you see all those open ones? That's where all these bees right now have came from.
It's really cool.
And yeah, okay, so you have to come over here behind my shoulder. Do you see?
Oh, inside?
Do you see right there?
Yeah.
Do you see all that larva?
Yeah. Are there newbies that they've refilled it?
That's what I'm looking. There's multiple different stages. Okay, I'm starting to see eggs.
Okay, eggs.
I see eggs. Okay, so right there, see that one little brood all by itself?
Yeah.
There's tiny little grains of rice.
Oh, I see them.
Do you see them? Okay. All right. I know you're not gonna see them with these, but you can see all that little larva and everything in there. That's awesome. Straight up. Yeah, we got capped honey, or they're starting to cap the honey over here. So that's fresh honey that they, oh, there's the queen right there, right in the middle.
Oh, there she is.
I wasn't looking for her, I was looking at all the other stuff. Yep. Alright, I don't want to stress them out, but so we're going to push this over here and not kill the queen. Okay, so I am happy. I don't want to get too much further into this. I don't want to stress them out anymore. We've seen the queen.
Yeah.
We've seen larva. We've seen eggs.
So
We've seen capped brood.
yeah, and I saw every part of the.
I saw every part that I think I was supposed to see.
And I didn't see any of the bad.
I didn't see any of the bad stuff. That's what concerns me.
We're doing this right.
All right, so let's go ahead and put the cover back on. So easiest way to do it,
Yeah.
come in like that, come in like that,
Okay. And
set
then
it down,
shovel
and then
anybody off
just
who
just
chooses to
rotate it in. All
Yeah.
right, so now we'll put this back on.
Got it.
All right. Hive inspection 1, done.